Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the image and layers so edits stay reversible. Duplicate the background and convert the copy to a smart object. This lets you apply filters and tweak settings later. Create a separate layer group labeled Bokeh and add a blank layer for painted highlights. Once done, use a mask on the smart object to protect subject edges. Make sure to set blend modes and opacity later, because these controls shape how bokeh integrates with the photo. Next, you create the actual bokeh shapes and establish depth. On the blank bokeh layer, select a soft round brush with scattering and size jitter. Paint clusters of white or color at varying sizes. Convert that layer to a smart object and apply field blur or Gaussian blur, larger blur for farther highlights, smaller for near ones. Once applied, adjust each smart filter's blur amount and mask to keep highlights from overlapping the subject. This step gives spatial cues and natural falloff. Finally, blend and refine until the bokeh reads as part of the photo. Change the bokeh layer blend mode to screen or color dodge and lower opacity to taste. This makes highlights luminous without harsh edges. Add a hue/saturation adjustment clip to the bokeh for color harmony and paint masks to reduce blur over key areas. Sharpen the main subject lightly so it contrasts with soft lights. Troubleshooting tip: if halos or banding appear, reduce brightness. Use lower blur with multiple layers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.